Um, I greet you all. Um, it is Sunday, and I hope each and every one of you are doing very well. And yeah, I hope you are doing well and everything is fine with you. And you're enjoying the last day of the weekend. Okay, so I'm going to review the previous week and also the coming week. Okay, it's Sunday, and we need to know what the coming week. We want to know what the coming week is having for us. What is likely to happen the coming week. So we need to draw our annotations, our projections, and then everything before the market open. Okay, so. Okay, so I want to use this opportunity to appreciate each and every one of you that is making this channel grow. Those that are sharing the links and for others to also have a few knowledge to add to their own. I really appreciate. Keep sharing the links. Keep sharing the link of this page. It's all about trading and it's all about uh, I mean. Making time for each other, learning something, and which will take all of us to that financial freedom of trading. So when you have access to this video, please, as you keep sharing the links for others to also uh, add to their knowledge. Okay, I really appreciate that. Share the link. And I made it clear that when we get, okay, I honestly, yeah, this is my proposal that when we get to 1,000 subscribers, it's going to be a live trading session right here on YouTube. But I have a second thought of it. Think when we get to 300 subscribers, we're going to start a live trading session. Live trading session from Monday to Friday. So guys, share the link. Let's and then subscribe so that we can all benefit from this trading game. Okay. Thank you for everything. Okay, so let's go straight into it. Let's go straight into the chat. Okay, so last week, this is last week. Please, for you to get to understand this particular video, I dropped last week's market projection into the channel. Go back, watch that before you come back here so that everything will blend for your understanding. Okay. So last week I made a projection that we're gonna see a very heavy drop on gold, which they did. It actually went as projected and even went beyond my expected return point, which is somewhere around this area. I expected gold to return around this area, but they went below up to this fair value gap, daily fair value gap. Okay. So last week I made it clear that when we open and we gap down, we're gonna from Asia, we're gonna see a drop into this zone, then return back up. But if we open normal, this is Monday candle. Okay, if we open normal without any heavy gap, then probably we have to form the high of the week. And why did I say we're going to the high of the week is gonna, like that particular Monday, the high is gonna formed. Okay, so I made it clear that this inversion volume imbalance right here, volume imbalance, daily volume imbalance, we're going to see a return from this zone. If not, if there will be a heavy manipulation, then probably this weekly volume imbalance. And they respected this daily volume imbalance. This Monday, they opened, went up to form the high beautifully, and then they smashed down all the way to our expected um, points and went beyond and dropped into this daily fair value gap. That's beautiful. It's very, very beautiful and very beautiful. Yeah. So it went as expected and they returned all the way up into the weekly volume imbalance. Let me go to weekly time frame for it to actually. Okay, so here is it beautifully. Went in there. Yes, here is it. Weekly volume imbalance. They went in there and dropped a little bit. So first on Monday, they went into this daily volume imbalance. They smashed down all the way through to this level, kind of weekly fair value gap right here. They went to this and into the daily fair value gap. That's beautiful. Okay, so that's it. Go back and watch that and come back here and watch how it played out. It's very important. Okay, I'm not trying to say nobody is 100% accurate in this game. Just trying what, per my experience, what um, I've known so far is what I am trying to project. I'm trying to predict, okay, this market. So, and it went beautifully as projected or as expected. Okay, so this week, what is likely to happen? I'm still bearish on gold, very bearish on gold. I'm still bearish on gold. Bearish on gold, likely to take this low, but it might not happen this very week, this coming week, maybe a subsequent week. So, what is likely to happen? Okay, first, market is going to open. I expect some little gap. Uh, I expected some weekly gap. Okay, not too much, little gap, but as we are bearish, or as I'm bearish, per my experience, per what market is projecting to me, uh, uh, if we do a heavy manipulation, probably as you all know, we need to form the high. If we are bearish, we need to form the high before dropping. Okay, so when we open, it's likely we are touching our returning point. Okay, returning point or the high of the week, likely the first returning point for me is same daily fair value gap. We open, then we go a little bit up. This is weekly chart. Okay, so key attention. Okay, we open, go a little bit up, then start to drop. When we manipulate a bit more, we're going to see the midpoint of this week. Okay, the consequent encroachment of this upper week of last week. Okay, so this is the midpoint of it. So we open, go up to the midpoint of the week and then drop. Okay, the third point, if we do more manipulation, if we do more manipulation, probably a slightly above last week high, just to tap into again into weekly volume imbalance, a little bit above weekly high, just to take the sellers out before the drop will likely to happen. So here is it. So we open here. First, we drop. Or we open, go a bit up to the midpoint of the wick, then drop. If that didn't happen, then we open slightly high, take out last week high, then drop. Okay. And I'm expecting gold to drop. We are going way, way, way down. Okay. I'm overall bearishness. I'm expecting gold to reach as low as 3,869 to take out this low. Okay. So the overall bearishness, I'm expecting gold to reach this line. So this weekly times frame. Okay. So pay attention to this daily volume imbalance, the midpoint of this week, and then probably to take out the last week high, then before we drop. Okay. So this is how daily look like. Daily. So this is how daily look like. Okay. So we open, touch this, then drop, or the midpoint of it of the week. Last week, upper week, then we drop or manipulate into weekly volume imbalance and drop. Okay, so let's pay attention to that. I'm bearish on gold. The drop, the sell to take out this low might not happen this coming week, this very coming week. We might see, we might see a chop if we don't go, like we don't sell, go up to form the high and sell immediately. You might see some kind of choppy move around here, maybe for this week. Then the coming week, we smash down. So pay attention. Pay attention to the reaction of the price. Okay, price action tells a lot. So focus on the chart and draw your annotations down. Then see what is likely to happen. Okay, and as you all know, West Asia war is really, really affecting the market. So uh, it's really causing a whole lot of volatility in the market. So please pay attention. Pay attention to all this and be patient with your account. Okay, when I say be patient with your account, meaning your risk management should be very solid for you. Okay, risk what you can. Okay. That's very important. That's very important. Risk management is very important in this game. So that's for me for this week. Okay. Okay, so just be on a lookout. Be on a lookout. And as I said, that's just my projection or per my experience. Anything at all can happen. Gold can just open, then start to go up. Okay, start to go up. When we go up all the way to this zone and we stay strong here, then probably the subsequent weeks we are going to use this as an inversion volume imbalance or fair value gap to push price up. Okay, but for now I am bearish. Okay, I am 99% bearish on gold when it comes to the price action that we are currently seeing. Okay, so uh, let me take you through. Let me just show you something small about on dollar index. Okay, let me show you something small, little about dollar index. Okay, so on daily time frame, dollar index is quite bullish. Okay, so as we are bullish on dollar index, we are expecting a sell on um, dollar pairs. Okay, so I'm expecting immediate rebalance on daily time frame on dollar index. Then we push up to take this high. Okay, dollar index is very bullish, showing very strong momentum. Okay, so strong immediate rebalance daily time frame or manipulation into this daily fair value gap, then we push up. But per the current chart, I'm not expecting this daily fair value gap to be tap into. Probably this will hold price and then we take this high. So until then, I'll come back with an update probably next week. Or this coming weeks, ending of this coming week, as we always do on Saturday or Sunday. Thank you for your time, and please share for others to also, you know, uh, add up to what they've known so far in the game. Thank you for your time, and I wish each and every one of you a very successful trading week and very successful uh, coming months and forever. Peace out.